Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the first vlog on the channel, which is Jay's channel. I appreciate everybody for taking time to subscribe and watch the video. I will be trying to bring in more as much content as possible, as far as like any type of upgrades, any type of anything that's done to the GTI will hit the channel from here on out. This is going to be my first of two part video. The second part is going to be of course highlighting my my very first sponsor, because I didn't have a YouTube channel back at that time, but I will be doing a quick recap on my first sponsorship. This is my second sponsorship that I've been blessed with. This is from Lasfit automotive lighting. Before I get into the product, however, big shout out to a buddy of mine on Instagram, Alan, or at Alan Yoho. He actually reached out to me, and or I saw a post, and then I reached out to him, and then he was able to reach out to Lasfit, and this sponsorship was actually made possible. So big shout out to him. I will be leaving a couple links in the description for his Instagram and his YouTube channel. Be sure to follow him. He's almost at 10K. So let's get him there, and then also his YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe. Awesome performance pack GTI, stage 2 Unitronic. You know, the goodies are all on that vehicle. I know there's a suspension vehicle, not suspension vehicle, a suspension video coming soon from him, so stay tuned for that. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can get notifications on that video. So back to the product. Lasfit. As soon as I got in contact with them, everything went very, very smooth as far as the sponsorship, the talk, what I kind of wanted to do with the vehicle, and so forth. I even had a small, quick conversation with them as far as the a little bit of trouble that I'm having with a code that's popping off with some Amazon license plate bulbs that are shooting off a code saying that the license plate bulbs are out when they're not. Obviously, you get what you pay for. Those bulbs don't have the resistor in them, but they were awesome enough to send me a pair of these. I am in the process of kind of unpacking at the new place, so as soon as I find my my OEM housings, I'm going to be switching these out, and hopefully we can get rid of that light. These are very, very well made, so awesome quality on these, and those are just the license plate bulbs, or LEDs in other words. As far as the everything else, we've got some stickers, product manual. They kind of give you an estimate of how long the LEDs should last you, etc. And then the packaging was actually awesome, pretty awesome too. I wanted to bring that to everyone's attention. It's got all their contact information, address, etc. And then you got their Facebook, YouTube channel, and of course their Instagram. All of their social media platforms have a link to their store, so that way you guys can see if they offer an application for your vehicle. I would definitely check them out. So here is the product. Disregard this one for now, but this is the product here. This is going to be going on my driver's side, and it's a very, very nice construction, and it's a plug-and-play construction, of course. Volkswagen has this pretty unique style of doing, as far as their headlight bulbs and stuff like that, the halogen anyways. These two prongs actually connect to a base that's already built into the housing, and that's how the light bulb gets its energy source. As you can see here, here's the OEM way that they plug in. This kind of plugs in, just twists and locks in. As soon as it locks in, like I said, the housing itself has the energy source built in, and that is how the bulb kind of comes to life. These are obviously upgraded halogen bulbs. This was one of the first things that I did when I purchased the vehicle. The yellow stock headlights were like super like horrible looking, and that's why the license plates and the halogen bulbs were like, I mean, I think maybe within a week that I had the vehicle, I upgraded those. So we're going to be comparing the Lasfit LEDs to this upgraded halogen bulb, which I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 7500 series Ziza bulb from ECS Tuning, And then my driving lights are actually also Ziza bulbs, but they're yellow. I wanted to go kind of for like a little bit of an old school feel on the GTI, since I had that halogen option on the headlights. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in the vehicle. Let's turn the key a little bit, and then that way you guys can see what the headlights look like. Let's see here. That. Let me come out here. Straight off the bat, like you can tell, it's a huge difference. This is the Ziza bulb. Like I said, it's still in there. And my driving light is, of course, yellow, but that is the bulb that I upgraded the ugly yellow stock halogen headlights to. And this is the Lasfit LED light. As you guys can see, it's like a huge difference. Got my little Lasfit sticker there, but it's a huge difference even just backing up out of the car. I hate to back up right now because I'm actually missing my toe cover, and I'm in the process of getting that painted. So hopefully next video this thing will be filled in, but anyways, that's for another video. It's a huge difference even with backlighting in the back. And now that the LEDs have been upgraded as far as the headlights go, I'm going to be able to run like my fog lights, and everything's going to kind of match, since the fog lights come stock LED, if I'm not mistaken, and that's how they came. So I'll be able to utilize those as well, which I honestly don't think I'm going to need them that much, because these things are like super bright. They look awesome. So yeah, there it is. As you guys can see, even a 7500 series bulb over here looks extremely dim compared to what LEDs look. The LED look makes it you know, stand out a lot more. So I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video here. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how what big of a difference it does, even with like the upgraded bulbs over here. It just makes a huge difference. It really does. It's morning time right now. I work nights, so as soon as I got home, I kind of wanted to knock this video out, and I was super excited to get these things in there. So I'm going to be working on the driver's side here as soon as I get conclude this out with you guys. And then if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I'm gonna leave a link down there for that as well. That way you guys can kind of see shots of what they look like at night. I might do like a quick video also on Instagram, so you guys can see what they look like driving in the night as well down the street. So again, thank you very much to everyone for stopping by, for checking out the video. And make sure you subscribe, share it out, and hopefully I'll be seeing you guys soon with more content. Thank you.